What's up, cleaning business owners? So let's go ahead and show you this cool walkthrough that you could have for your cleaning business and just hopefully maybe inspire you to think differently and about setting up new workflows for your business. So basically what we've done is created this quiz here and I'll walk through. So basically how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, how much square foot, what sort of add-ons do you want? And obviously all of these steps can be customized. Look, the details for us, how many square feet. These add-ons can obviously be customized. Obviously, build it to round what your business does and offers. But you basically have this form that people can essentially kind of go through and fill out, and then it after they fill it out, it takes them to a area to select a time and a date. And then once we have this, it can actually go through and then send them that basically that estimate. And then you'll also get it. And what you'll also be able to do is based on the scores, you'll be able to give the price. So we can set different form settings to each answer. So inside of bathrooms, we can come in here and say this is 1.1.5, 2.5. So based on these calculations, we can basically create a custom formula for our cleaning business to pump out an answer, and it will tell us exactly what price that customer should pay. And then the second part of that is once we have that exact price based on that quiz for what they submitted, it'll redirect them to a predefined service that fits that. So for this example, they would fill out and that service can be added to their cart automatically. Now, you could still have the variant option where they can select up the square footage, or we could go ahead and get rid of this as well and change it up where it gives them, all right, on this service, it's going to be the 4,000 and under square foot package. So that's where we'll just have to come up and create different service packages. And then on top of this, this is where people can add offers and upsells. So maybe it's just like a basic clean that they have for 4,000 square foot. Hey, do you want to make it a deep clean? You can add that to your order and it's going to add some price to obviously it. So you can do your deep clean option up to 4,000 and here we have it. Maybe they want to add a kitchen cleaning option. They can do that. So we have upsells right inside of our customer's cart so they can essentially add upsells. And at the end of it, it's just basically going to make a higher ticket for your cleaning service, which obviously means more money. So who doesn't love more money when they're getting bookings? I think everybody does, and that's why you're in business. But overall, this was just a quick little video showing you through a workflow that you could have for your cleaning business with setting up a quiz that jumps to a schedule, that jumps to kind of confirming everything, as well as payment based on the quiz's submission answers. So if you have any questions, have ideas that you would do for your workflow, or just once again have any questions, let us know.